Looking for a car seat for Honda CRV? Our tools and equipment appliance experts bought and tested the top 10 car seat for Honda CRV available in 2022 and put them through a rigorous side-by-side comparison to find the very best. Each model was subjected to a punishing quality of tests for whipping, mixing, and kneading. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect car seat for Honda CRV for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 1 on our list. We have the EKR Custom Fit Seat Covers for Honda CRV. Here is a set of pool leather car seat covers that provide options for Honda CRV from 2012 through to 2020. Available for the front and rear seats. A lovely pool leather style that is available in several colors, this will be a decent upgrade for most vehicles. The finish is great with a stylish stitch pattern, and when installed correctly is tight and looks the part. A beautifully fitting seat covers that provides the type of coverage you might expect from an OEM replacement. The foam padding is comfortable, giving a quality look and feel. The shell is waterproof, making it very easy to clean and maintain. These seat covers are also compatible with side airbags. EKR provides options that will also fit Honda CRV from 2012 onwards. With these EKR custom seat covers being full coverage and a custom fit, installing this so that it will fit your seat snugly and tightly will require a fair bit of time. Having said that, the results are utterly rewarding when done correctly. Instructions are available in video format and written, so be sure to follow them diligently and convince a friend to help out if possible. Between you, this can be installed within a couple of hours. As touched upon earlier, the padding is constructed well and is a joy to use on longer journeys. This, coupled with the hint of luxury in the finish, will provide you and your passengers a nice experience. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 2 on our list, we have the LUCKYMAN Club 2 leather seat covers for Honda CRV. Will fit all Honda CRV from 2000 onward according to the manufacturer and is side airbag compatible. Available to select for the front and rear seats. Pool leather style seat covers that give a luxurious touch and great comfort. The embroidered stitching is secure and the trim is provided in different colors. The breathable pool leather is durable, strong, and will make this a good option at any time of the year. When installed, these seat covers do not provide full coverage. The headrests and the side of the seats are partially exposed. This is by design, but something to consider if you are looking for an OEM-like fit. Installation is a breeze with these seat covers. As these are custom-fit seat covers, like the EKR option discussed above, there is very little effort required in fitting this. You pretty much just need to throw it on and fasten a few buckles and harnesses. We suggest this taking no more than 20 minutes to install. The breathable pool leather material coupled with decent cushioning makes this comfortable enough to use. Needs to be fastened pretty securely to feel snug and tight. At number 3 on our list, we have the OASIS Auto Custom Fit Seat Covers for Honda CRV. OASIS Auto provides options that will Honda CRV 2012 to 2016, 2017 to 2021. Custom full coverage stylish seat covers that will give a fresh, authentic look. OASIS Auto provides a number of colors that should cater to most tastes. The material is pool leather with minimalistic stitching, providing a clean and simple appearance. While potentially time-consuming, the installation is supported by excellent instruction videos on YouTube. This makes installation a whole easier than it could be without it. It's recommended to leave yourself 1 to 2 hours to fit these seat covers. The material is soft and breathable, making it a pleasant experience to use. The material is waterproof, making it stress-free to maintain and clean. At number 4 on our list, we have the CarsCover Custom Fit Seat Covers for Honda CRV. Neoprene cushion seat covers that will fit the front and rear seats of 2017 to 2020 Honda CRVs. Made with neoprene fabric and a foam-like cushioning layer, these seat covers are functional and do what you would expect. Aesthetically, the seat covers are neat enough and the style seems to focus on simplicity. Unfortunately, there doesn't seem to be many style options available as yet. This makes installation reasonably easy, especially for a set of full coverage seat covers. Due to the neoprene material, these seat covers are also light to carry. This should make for a less stressful installation than the previously discussed full coverage seat covers. The padding is simple but effective with the foam-like material. Although the manufacturer claims this to be waterproof, we'd reserve judgment a while longer. Extended usage may test the waterproof treatment more adequately. Our first impression is that this may not be as durable as some other. At number 5 on our list, we have the EKR 5 seat covers for Honda CRV. These EKR seat covers are compatible with Honda CRV 2007 onward and will accommodate side airbags. Also available is a set for the front and rear seats. Made with PU leather, which is backed up with adequate padding and quality stitching, which makes for a stylish embroidered finish. Available in several styles and subtle trim colors. Although these seat covers are not a full coverage outfit, they do sit nicely and allow for more than enough space for things like airbags. The logo in the center of the backrest may be an acquired taste. This can be fitted within 20 to 30 minutes, and the instructions provided are easy to follow. There is no need to cut out holes for airbags and such, as this accounts for most of these situations. The padding is comfortable and made with a sponge material that does the job and feels long-lasting. The surface is extremely easy to clean and is family-friendly. The material feels hard-wearing. The waterproof surface gives even more confidence that this will last a good while. At number 6 on our list, we have the best value, Gorla Premium Waterproof Seat Covers for Honda CRV. These Gorla car seat covers will fit most Honda CRVs and are airbag compatible. A simple but effective seat cover that will protect your car seat from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. The neoprene material helps to make this seat cover breathable. Perfect for use immediately after a workout for those with pets. Even though the design is simplistic, it actually looks good with it. As we said earlier, simple but effective. Fitting these car seat covers is a breeze and should only take a few minutes. This is helped by the fact that it is also very lightweight. The neoprene spongy padding gives adequate comfort for longer journeys. This, coupled with the non-slip lining and extra strapping, provides a secure driving experience. These seat covers are also water resistant, which helps with being able to quickly wipe any spills. Some customer reviews have reported issues with the non-slip lining after turning on heated seats. At number 7 on our list, we have the Frisu seat covers for Honda CRV. A stylish set of car seat covers that are airbag compatible and will fit most Honda CRVs. Nice leather look with intricate design stitching on some options. There is also a wide range of design styles to choose from, which is great. As for the material, it is waterproof and easy to clean. Overall, this will bring a nice new car feel to your car interior. With the right installation instructions, these are fairly easy seat covers to install. The instructions are clear and are readily available in video format also. These seat covers come with a decent level of padding and should provide lasting comfort for a good while. The material is composed of breathable components, making it good for use all year round. Number 8 on our list, we have the LUCKYMAN Club 5 car seat covers for Honda CRV. The LUCKYMAN Club 5 PU leather seat covers will fit a Honda CRV and are airbag compatible. These are available as a full set for the front and rear seats. Provided in a water-resistant PU leather material and available in different colors. This should be easy enough to install, as this is a universal fit seat cover. The instructions are clear and come with the product. There are also installation videos available online which are easy to follow. At number 9 on our list, we have the FH Group FB030BEIGEBLAC K115 Combo Universal Fit Beige Black Automotive Seat Covers. Includes 2 front bucket, 1 set rear bench, 1 steering wheel cover, 4 seatbelt pads and 5 headrest covers. Materials are made from durable and comfortable breathable flat cloth, easy to clean, machine washable, air dry. Concealed hook and loop opening and adjustable straps make installation, removal, and reattachment a breeze. Special stitching technique enables side airbag compatibility, officially tested. Durable stretchy fabric with opening pocket for storage. Engineered to accommodate traditional and heated seats. Only compatible with removable headrests and front armrests. And finally, at number 10 on our list, we have the BDK PolyPro car seat covers. These are the perfect seat covers for your new car or even a car that's just new to you. Our car seat covers provide protection against spills and stains that might occur inside of your vehicle. We use specially selected materials for maximum comfort during your daily commute. The high-quality poly outer layer provides enhanced ventilation so that you stay cool and comfortable during your drive. Machine washable polyester cloth with foam backing. Refresh the look of your vehicle and earn some heads along the way. This full set of seat covers features a stylish two-tone design with stitched accents, making it easy to add a splash of color to your interior. The best investment for your new vehicle might also be the quickest. Follow our simple 3-step installation process to install the front seat covers before finishing off with the rear bench seat cover and headrest covers. BDK PolyPro seat covers are designed to fit most vehicles including cars, trucks, vans and SUVs. Please see our product images for fitment examples. Some additional work may be required to create a perfect fit. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.